Welcome to another episode of Sip Easy. Investing is all about aiming to maximize returns and minimize risk. But what exactly does that mean? How do you go about investing in a way that gives you the best chance of earning potential returns while also giving you a stable journey over a period of time? The simple answer is diversification. That is, spreading your investments across multiple funds. This way, you will potentially be reducing your market risk. The same is true even when you start your SIP. If you have been recommended to invest in equity funds, you need to ensure that your fund selection is not weighted too heavily towards any particular market cap or sector. In the beginning, it is important to build a well-diversified and a well-balanced portfolio of 3 to 4 funds, comprising of combination of large cap, mid cap, small cap, and multi-cap or flexi-cap funds. The primary benefit of this strategy is that it aims to reduce the volatility of your portfolio, as not all your investments will perform in similar fashion all the time, and together they help you attain stability. So just remember, Zindagi bhi SIP ki tarah hai. Like in life, we don't put all our eggs in one basket, so you should follow the same when you invest through SIPs as well. So, when are you starting your Zindagi ke liye SIP? Click here to learn more about SIP and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.